Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SAML app integration with OneLogin, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the SAML app integration with OneLogin, log into your OneLogin admin portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Applications section in the main menu. Click on the Add App button to start the integration process. In the search bar, type in the name of the application you want to integrate. Select the appropriate application from the search results. In the Settings menu of the application, locate the Configuration tab. Here, you will find various fields that need to be filled out. Start by entering the consumer URL for your application. This URL is where OneLogin will send the SAML response. Next, enter the audience URL, which typically matches the application's entity ID. Ensure that these URLs are accurate to avoid any potential issues during authentication. Next, scroll down to the SAML settings section. You'll find options for attributes to pass, such as email and name. Adjust these settings according to your application's requirements. Next, locate the SSO section to configure single sign-on settings. Copy the issuer URL provided by OneLogin. This URL will be needed in your application's SAML settings. You will also need to copy the SAML 2.0 endpoint URL for further configuration. Now, switch to your application's admin panel to input the SAML details. Find the section where you can configure SSO settings. Paste the issuer URL into the designated area. Next, use the SAML 2.0 endpoint URL from OneLogin. Make sure to set the appropriate binding method, typically POST. Now, download the OneLogin certificate from the SAML settings area. Upload this certificate into your application's SAML configuration. Once all settings have been entered, save the changes in your application. Return to the OneLogin admin portal and click on the Save button for your application. To test the integration, access the application through the OneLogin dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.